In this session, you will learn preparation of debtors and bills receivable account. So questions given will be to calculate credit sales or total sales. So in case of total sales, cash sales will be given in the question. We have to prepare the debtors account and BR account based on the balance given in the problem and calculate the total sales. So we will prepare the accounts and see what credit sales we get, add that with the cash sales, we will get the total sales. So this session will deal with preparation of bills receivable and debtors account. In problem number 1, we are supposed to calculate the sales. So calculate sales if opening debtors is rupees 10,000, cash received from debtors and BR is rupees 20,000. So cash received from debtors and from BR is 20,000 each. Opening balance of BR is 4,000 and closing balance of BR is 2,000. They have also given closing balance of debtors rupees 16,000. So here opening debtors given is rupees 10,000. This will go to debtors account towards debit side. So to balance brought down rupees 10,000 should be recorded in the debtors account. Second item is cash received from debtors 20,000. So in debtors account credit side by cash 20,000. So cash received will be recorded on the credit side. Similarly, BR amount received from BR is also 20,000. This will go to BR account as by cash account. So in BR account, cash received will come towards credit side. Then opening balance of BR is rupees 40,000. So we bring down this balance to the BR account. To balance brought down 4,000. And closing balance of BR is 2,000. So by balance carried on will be 2,000. Closing balance of debtors is rupees 16,000. This will go to debtors account as by balance carried down. Let us see the same in the accounts now. Now look into the BR account. We have brought down the opening balance of 4,000. So to balance brought down 4,000. Cash received from BR is given as 20,000. That we record towards credit side. By cash 20,000. And closing balance of BR is given as 2,000. So we have taken closing balance as 2,000. So by balance carried down 2,000. These are the three items given in the problem which is related to BR account. So when we balance the account, credit side is 22,000 and debit side we take the same 22,000 and the balancing difference amount towards debit side is 18,000. So 22,000 minus 4,000. This 18,000 is nothing but BR received. So we transfer this to the BR account. So it is two debtors contra entry. So this will be BR received 18,000. This should be taken to debtors account. Now we prepare the debtors account. So in the question, opening balance of debtors is given as 10,000. Bring down the balance. So debit side to balance brought down 10,000. In the BR account, we have got 18,000 as transfer to debtors, that is BR received. We transfer that from the BR account as by BR 18,000. This is nothing but bills receivable received. Then question states that cash is received from debtors to the extent of rupees 20,000. So by cash 20,000 will be the next entry. Then closing balance of debtors is given as 16,000. Bring down that balance also towards credit side. So by balance carried down will be 16,000. These are only the items given concerned to debtors account. So we close the account and the balancing amount towards debit side is 44,000, which is nothing but credit sales. So in this question, we have found out the sales as 44,000. This is how we prepare the BR and debtors account when such a question is given to calculate the sales. The next question goes like this. Ascertain credit sales from the following. So they have given sundry debtors as on 1/1/2019 76,800, which is nothing but opening balance of debtors. Then sundry debtors on 31st December 2018 is 58,800, which is closing balance of debtors. Then cash received from debtors is given as 38,400. Discount allowed 2,100. BR received from debtors 7,500. Bad debts 1,800. BR dishonored 2,400. So with these items we have to calculate the sales. Now see, BR opening and closing balance is not given. So in this question we should prepare only the debtors account. In the previous question both BR and debtors balance were given. So we had to prepare both the accounts and to check out what is the BR received. Here only debtors account where we need to prepare in order to ascertain the sales. The first item given is debtors opening balance. Where will we take this? This has to go to opening balance of debtors as to balance brought down 76,800. The second item is sundry debtors as on 31st December 2019, 58,800. This is closing balance of debtors. So by leaving space for the other entries, make this closing entry as by balance carried down 58,800. Third item is cash received from debtors. This will go to credit side. So by cash account 38,400. So cash received will go towards credit side. Then discount allowed is the fourth item given as 2,100. So discount allowed will appear on the credit side of debtors account. So 2,100 should be transferred there by discount allowed. Then we have BR received from debtors 7,500. This entry here is directly given as BR received. So where will we enter this? We have to enter as by BR. So BR received from debtors will be by BR in the debtors account. Then given is bad debts. So bad debts should be recorded in the debtors account. So by bad debts 1,800. What should not be recorded? RBD and bad debts recovered should not be recorded in the debtors account as it doesn't affect the debtors account, whereas bad debt should be taken. So 1,800 will appear on the credit side. Then BR dishonored. This will go to debit side of debtors account as to BR account. BR received is credit side, BR dishonored is debit side. Taking this, we will see what sales we are going to arrive at. So we have prepared the debtors account here and made the entries. So opening balance is taken as 78,600, closing balance is 58,800, and cash received is 38,400, discount allowed 2,100, BR received is 7,500, bad debts given is 1,800. We also have dishonor given 2,400. So when we make the entries accordingly, we get the credit sale of rupees 29,400. Look into the next question. From the following figures drawn from the books of Tina, you are required to calculate total sales. So if you observe, you are given with BR as well as debtors balance. So you will have to prepare both the accounts here. So BR in the beginning of the year 7,800. This will go where? To BR account as opening balance, to balance brought down. BR encashed during the year. So in the BR account, you have to make this entry in the credit side as by cash 20,900. The next is bad debts written off. So this will go to debtors account on the credit side as by bad debts written off 2,800. BR dishonored is given. This will go to this is a contra entry. So BR dishonored is a contra entry. You'll have to make this entry both in the debtors and BR account. Debtors at the end of the year will be taken as closing balance of the debtors. Then the debtors in the beginning of the year 30,800 is given. This will go to debtors account, opening balance of debtors. Cash received from debtors. This will go to debtors account as by cash. Returns inwards. This is nothing but sales returns. This will go to debtors account. So 8,700. Next, BR at the end of the year. This is closing balance of BR to be taken in the BR account as by balance carried down. The last item given is cash sales. We're not going to take cash sales anywhere in the BR or debtors account. Here, since they're asking us to calculate the total sales, this cash sales should be kept aside to add with the credit sales. Once we find out the debtors and BR account, we will find out what credit sales we get. That credit sales to be added to this cash sales, we will get the total sales. So when we prepare the BR account, we bring down the balance. Opening balance given is 7,800. So to balance brought down 7,800. And cash received, BR in cash during the year is given as 20,900. So we record in the credit side as by cash account 20,900. We are given with dishonor of BR to the extent of 1,800. This is a contra entry I told you. So here we record in the BR account as by debtors 1,800. This will again appear in the debtors account as 2BR 1,800. Then closing balance is given. So we record the closing balance towards credit sides as by balance carried down 4,000. These are the only items related to BR account. So let us balance the account. So 26,700 is the amount that we get towards credit side. Take the same amount towards debit side also. minus 7,800 will be 18,900. This 18,900 balancing amount in the BR is nothing but BR received. So we transfer this to debtors account. So entry will be to debtors, BR received 18,900. Coming to the next debtors account, we bring down the balance, opening balance as to balance brought down 30,800. We were given with dishonor of BR. We were recorded in the BR account, contra entry. So to BR account, dishonor of 1,800. Coming to the credit side, cash received from debtors is 70,000. We record that as by cash account 70,000. BR received is 18,900, which we found out in the BR account. Transfer that towards credit side as by BR account 18,900. Bad debts were written off, were given as 2,800. So by bad debts 2,800. Returns inwards is given, sales returns. So by returns inwards 8,700. And closing balance of debtors is 25,500 given in the question. That also we record here as by balance carried down. When we total the entries, credit side is 1,25,900. Take the same amount towards debit side, minus 30,800 and 1,800 will be 93,300. So the balancing amount towards debit side is 93,300, which is credit sales. So in the question it was asked to prepare total sales. So we have found out the credit sales as 93,900 and the question states cash sales was 40,700. When we add credit sales with cash sales, so 93,300 plus 40,700 will be 2,34,000 will be the total sales. So we have found out total sales as 2,34,000. So dear students, these are the problems for you to practice. So one problem is given, problem number 1. So you should calculate credit sales. So these are the items given: opening debtors, closing debtors, cash received, discount allowed, BR received from debtors, and bad debts written off. Try this problem and calculate the total sales. So one more problem is given for you to calculate total sales. So given items are opening sundry debtors, closing sundry debtors balance, BR opening balance, BR closing balance, discount allowed to customers, returns inwards, cash received against BR, bad debts written off, and cash sales. Similar problem I worked out and explained you previously in the same session. Accordingly, you work out this question and calculate the total sales. So this cash sales given in the question should not be taken anywhere. It should be only added at the end after preparing the credit sales. The last question for you to practice on debtors and BR account is given here. So from the following particulars available from the books of Manasa, you are required to determine the credit sales and total sales for the year ending 31st December 2010. They have given total debtors, that is opening debtors as 1,30,000, cash received from debtors 1,90,000, discount allowed 4,000, BR received 16,000, BR dishonored during the year 2000, bad debts 1,000, cash sales 13,000, returns inwards 5,200, and total debtors balance as 65,000. All the entries are similar to what you worked out in the previous 3 problems. So clear explanation is given to you. Based on the same explanation and working out, try this problem also and calculate the total sales.